Today we're going to take a look at 1005 Peterson Street. This is a beautiful low country style house right in the middle of Market Common. Parks, walking and biking trails are right here, Savannah's playground. All the shops and restaurants in Market Common are about 2 blocks in this direction, a very easy walk. You can go to movie theaters, restaurants. The beach is a straight shot down this way. The Culinary Institute's about a block and a half in this direction. I just went there and got some cucumbers and some onions at the farmer's market today and a half a smoked chicken, which I'm going to be eating when I'm done with this video. Beautiful house, has 3 covered porches, nice low maintenance pavered yard, great little covered deck here. You can sit right here. You got a nice breeze coming in off the beach. One of the best locations in Myrtle Beach. Hardy plank siding. This is concrete fiberboard. This house is loaded with great features. Got a second covered deck here. Nice little area for an outdoor table. And they've got a built-in outdoor grill. You've got a double car garage and a little area where you can also park in, and there's parking on the street out front. Love the landscaping. Let's take a look inside. And this is really a wow house. Has custom fixtures, custom lighting, 12-foot high ceilings, crown moldings throughout. You got beautiful real hand-scraped 5-inch hardwood floors. These are throughout the entire house, all the bedrooms. Stairs are hardwood. Gas fireplace, great plantation shutters, smooth ceiling, recessed lighting. Nice open floor plan here. Look at this kitchen. Got a gas stove. Love the cabinets with the glass. Granite countertops. Did I mention that they're all custom light fixtures throughout? And this is just a beautiful, beautiful home. Formal dining room. Nice backsplash. Stainless steel appliances. Nice big pantry. So right here from the kitchen, lots of natural light. There's a half bath on this floor. Nice big double car garage, and she even brought the plantation shutters out into the garage here. Nice flooring, added a bunch of extra storage. There's also a tankless on-demand gas hot water heater, and I think you saw the gas fireplace and the gas stove in the other room. There's also another storage closet here. Oh wow, I didn't know they had cable lines out here in the garage too. And yes, just about everybody in this neighborhood has a golf cart. You can take a golf cart anywhere you want to go, including the beach. This goes back out to the second covered porch and the side yard. Love the palmetto trees. And let's look upstairs. Beautiful hardwood stairs, beautiful chandelier. The high ceilings are also upstairs, so it's kind of hard to see on video, but you've got really high ceilings up here. Really nice laundry room, plenty of space. You've got 2 guest bedrooms, and again, hardwood floors are carried on upstairs. Really good sized room here. custom fans, plantation shutters. Nice big walk-in closet. Plenty of space here. And this is the guest room, not the master closet. We'll see that in a minute. You've got a Jack and Jill bath here. And this Jack and Jill bath goes into the second guest room. And again, very high ceilings, custom fans, nice plantation shutters, really big rooms. And there's a pocket door here that leads back into that full bath. There's also another large closet here. Nice size. Crown moldings, ceilings. And of course here is the gigantic master bedroom. It's got a little nook there for an office. Tray ceilings of double crown moldings, recessed lighting, ceiling fans. Of course, the hardwood floors. These doors go out to another covered porch. I mean, this is great out here. Nice water feature. Look all the way down the lake here. This building right here is Orvis. The King Street Grill, Tupelo Honey are right there. Fantastic. Great streetscape, all these beautiful Charleston low country style homes. Got a linen closet here and a huge master closet with built-in custom cabinets. Look at, maybe you can kind of get an idea how high the ceilings are now by looking at these built-ins here. They go all the way up. So huge master closet here. And then a gigantic master bath with double sinks that are separate. You've got sink number 1 here. You've got a nice step-in tiled shower. You've got a gigantic garden tub looking out over the water. Private door for the water closet, and then a whole nother sink here. And then there's me. Hi. We turn the lights on in here. I'm Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. This is a great Charleston style house in Market Common. Walk to the shops and restaurants. Everything you need is right here. For more information, give me a call. My number is 843-222-9135. Of course, all my contact information is right below in the YouTube comment section. Thanks. Hope you have a great day.